Hey everyone, in this video we are going to show you how to create a brand new Gmail account using Gmail. So whether you need it for work, school, or just a backup account, in this video we are going to show you, so let's just get started. Head over and open up a browser like Chrome or Edge. And once you do, you can go over to the Gmail sign up page. So here you can just go over to gmail.com. After that, hit enter. And once you hit enter, you will be opening up this page where you can start creating an account. So right now I already have an account. You can go over to this option of your account if you already have one. And you can select the option of adding an account and open up this page right here where we can add an account and select this option for creating an account if you want to go to the sign up page. And select what kind of account you would like to create. So I'm going to use it for my personal use. You can select my child, work, or business as well. For now, let's head over and choose that and get started. So first of all, here you need to fill in your details. So you can start by entering up your first name and after that your last name. Once you do so, you can click on next, and here you need to go over and provide in your birthday, like your personal info. You can select up your month, your day as well. After that, your year. So just go over and do so. And select up your gender. What gender are you? And click on next. After you confirm it up, you can go over and create up an address for your Gmail. So I'm just going to use this one. You can go ahead and create your own as well. I'm just going to use the suggested one for now and click on next. And once you complete it up, you need to go over and create up a strong password and confirm it up. So you can just go over and do so, and here we enter it and click on next and confirm it. And then you can just go ahead and scan the QR code with your phone if you're using a PC to go ahead and create your account. And once you complete it up, you just need to agree to the Google terms. You can click on I agree, and congratulations, now your new Gmail account has been created on your Gmail. You will be taken to the Gmail inbox and you can start sending emails right away. So therefore, you may follow up these simple steps for that. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.